Hi everyone, now in this tutorial I wanna show you how to show desktop icons on Windows 10. Simply guys, in your desktop, right click, go to personalize. Okay, in the left pane, go to theme, as you can see. Okay, in the themes section, in the right pane, select desktop icon settings. Here, as you can see, check your icons you want to show and uncheck the icons you want to hide. Simply, I want to show computer, recycle bin, control panel, users, file, network. When you finish, select or click apply, then OK. That's it guys. As you can see, all the icon selected appear in the desktop: control panel, network, internet PC, this PC. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.